How to get $100 Home Depot promo codes. Hello everyone, this is Lisa from Create, Login and Delete. Now let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Here we go. Now type in Home Depot promo code and search for it. With that, different website links will appear. You can open any of the website to get the promo codes. You can just scroll down and go through it. For instance, I'm gonna open this one, time.com. After you open it, you're gonna find tons of coupon code options. Home Depot is an American multinational home improvement retail corporation that sells tools, construction products, appliances, and services including fuel and transportation rentals. Home Depot is the largest home improvement retailer in the United States. It offers various products including building materials, home improvement appliances, hardware, electrical products, kitchen and bath products, flooring and paint products, appliances, and lawn and indoor and outdoor garden products. To get discount on those products, you can use these coupons. So you can scroll down and go through the offers. If you're interested in any of the coupon, you can click on the option of more details. Now here is the detail of the coupon. Make sure you check the expiration date of the coupon. Now click on show coupon. For now, I have selected $100 off Home Depot promo code. Now you can copy it. Now while you check out, you can apply this code. By applying the same process, you can use other offers as well. So that's all for this video. This is how you can get $100 Home Depot promo codes. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.